Morning guys, and it's the 2nd of December and now let's open our calendars.
Mommy, where are they?
I don't know. Is he not on the tree?
No.
Well, where's he gone then? Well, you better go look for him then, haven't you?
Let's open
Where are you looking then? You're going to look in the kitchen? Yeah?
Yeah.
What? What? What's happened? What's happened? Esme, what's Alfie done? Look what he's done to Mummy's flower. Naughty elf.
Naughty elf. Get off my face.
I don't know how, because do you know I wrapped his arms?
Yeah.
Like, I did it like this and then he undid it. Oh my.
Yeah.
Well, who's going to clean up this mess? Oh, I see how it is. That naughty elf. So do you know what day you got to open today then?
Yeah, too.
Yeah.
So your one, your one.
Two, I found it.
You've got to help Esme as well, Hayden.
Where's number 2? No, don't open that one.
Hang on, you've got to Hayden's got to show you where number 2 is first.
I've got to do that one.
That's the one, Esme. No, other way, other side.
Ooh,
That's it, do it from that side.
what is this?
Do you want Mummy to start you off?
Oh,
Wow, Lexi, you've got an actual...
I'll open it, Esme.
You've got to open an actual chocolate as well.
No!
She always does that.
She's done the same thing she did yesterday, bless
No,
her.
Mummy,
She's
Mummy.
only 2.
It's your
Wait.
chocolate.
Well, then
Look
that's
on
your
the back of the card.
What does it... Oh, it says snow cute. Oh, Esme, you're snow cute.
This is really random. A fire truck.
Okay, well, a toy truck, maybe. Someone asked for that for Christmas. So Esme has got
Cockot.
a king, I think, or a shepherd again. Hey, you had that yesterday, didn't you?
No.
I'm sure that's the same one you had yesterday.
Shepherd.
Is she wanting to play?
Yeah. No.
Cream is so nice.
Good.
That was so nice.
Okay, now Lexi put Snowman in yesterday, so it's Hayden's turn today. Okay, and then Esme's turn tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah, and then it's Evie's turn, and then
Well,
it's
Evie's a bit young. Evie's being lazy today. She's still asleep.
Day number 2. So today, guys, we're going to make Christmas slime. Everything on this table right now is going to be what we're using to make Christmas slime. So we have some red beads, some green beads, some white beads, we also have some
red and silver foil.
Yes, we also have gold and silver stars. We have red, green and gold glitter.
And silver.
And we've got the same colours over and over because it's Christmas, and we've got silver and gold there. And yeah, we're going to be making some Christmas slime.
Yeah, Esme, can I return in a minute? Someone help Esme. I don't know what to do.
I think Esme needs help. Okay,
Red glitter.
red
And Mummy.
beads everywhere.
And this is fun.
And go a couple red beads.
Do you have to make the slime first, then add it?
No, you don't have to if you don't want to.
Right, let me I'm gonna help Esme.
Esme.
Get
That went held in my eyes.
I need some scissors. Where the scissors?
Sprinkle some green in there. Green and red.
What do you want in your
Christmas
slime, Esme?
Now that you've got that
What do you want?
sorted.
What do you want in it? What colour?
Oh, I want some of this.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
You want
Gold
that?
in there. Oh my god, that's all over. Please.
It's fine.
That's
Okay.
squared
And what
everywhere.
else? So you're gonna mix it now, yeah?
Why?
Which one?
I don't know. This has some
You just
green
want-
to it.
Do you want any balls? Do you want some snow?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I like this. This already looks cool.
Me too. I know what you've done. I need to mix
Oh, no, I
it.
messed it up.
Activate. Oh no, Hayden, you missed it.
Make it, Mummy.
Oh, I need
Well,
some
then
more
you mix
green
it.
now. I messed it up.
Mix
The
it.
green went everywhere. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells.
And then mix it up.
I'm mixing it. Oh, this looks so good already. I'm making it white because it's white. Oh no, I forgot to add some of the white beads.
Right. Now that I've added
You
some more of
open them.
that, I'm gonna have some.
That one. That one.
You want some green as well?
Yeah, please.
And some gold. Wow, you've got every colour. You just need silver now.
I need some.
Red.
You mix it all up.
Yeah, I'll make it.
And then you mix it all
How do I
up.
get this tinsel off?
Hayden, there's scissors.
I don't know where the end is.
That's okay. Should we put some of
I
this in
have no
there?
clue where the end is.
Mix it round
I
there.
keep on getting dirty.
I have an
I'm
idea.
gonna get dirty anyway. But still. I've got a lot of slime.
Hayden, pass it here, I'll help you.
This is looking
Yeah,
good.
it's fine. Esme, no!
Esme's used all the red glitter.
There's still a bit left.
There's still some left. This is going to be very, very glittery slime, Esme.
Like, look, it's gonna be glittery.
You're going to mix it. Go on, then you mix it.
I need the activator with it.
Yeah, that's it. Keep mixing it, Ellen.
Mommy, can you screw the lid on?
Do you want me to squirt some in for you? Try that.
I'm gonna put this red tinsel in.
What do you want?
Sprinkle it.
You got to stand up then and get it.
I got silver.
Had some of that. You don't
tinsel
need
in.
any more glitter. You've got
Now?
lots of glitter now. What is it you want?
I want some gold glitter.
I accidentally dropped the lid on my slime.
You've got, you want some? Yeah. You want some?
She keeps on dropping everything.
Oh wow. Right, there we go.
Oh, that's a bit
Grab some
much.
stars then. Chuck the stars in.
It's not even forming into slime.
Put a little bit more activator in them.
Now I'm
Listen
gonna
up.
have some reds.
Mix it, mix it, mix it. Keep mixing.
This looks so nice. Have some red glitter.
I got lots of stars on my hand now. Yeah, it's sticking to me. Should we have it? Should Mummy have a go mix
Now I
it?
want some
Get
gold
it into slime
stars.
first, Yeah.
Oh look, this is mwah. Mwah.
That is actually
Amazing.
really good.
I love this.
We're gonna help you, and then I'll make you into slime.
I'm
yeah?
calling this soon.
I'm gonna have some
Slime.
green, whatever this is.
Hang on a minute, darling. We've got to keep.
This is
mixing.
black. I thought this was green.
It is green.
It's not, it's black.
It's food colouring, so it will come out green.
Oh,
When you put not that much in. Yeah, we're mixing it now to make slime. Like, you got to keep going. You've got to mix it loads.
where
and
did this
loads.
go? I repeat, we've lost the
I
lid
love
for the
how
green
you've all
food
made
coloring.
different colours. Like, Hayden's gone full on Christmas, Esme's gone red, and you've gone like silver. It's really good. Do you want, well, you mix it for a little bit there.
Some yellow food colouring as
I've
well.
been
as
like
well.
all of the Christmas colours.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you've got lots of stars. You want more stars? Go on then.
Mommy, it's not even forming into slime.
Do you want me to have a go?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
Hayden, you're not even in the camera properly. I need my hands up.
Oh, some red food colouring as well.
Oh my gosh, Hayden. That is a mild slime.
Hey, I'm working on some science here. Mine is Christmas and festive.
You got to mix it with.
Oh no!
It's sticky there.
So this is my slime. Didn't turn out the best.
It's like gold, isn't it?
It's all sticky as well.
Yeah. It's Esme's slime. It was red, but she decided to put yellow food dye in it on the last little bit. It's very nice and stretchy. Yeah, you're gonna play with your slime now? There you go. And then you play with your slime.